In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a campaign in Mailchimp. This is a straightforward process, but knowing exactly where to click can save you a lot of time and ensure that you don't accidentally delete something important. So, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is navigate to your Mailchimp dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a menu at the top of the screen. Look for the section labeled Campaigns. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to an overview of all your running and scheduled campaigns. It's a convenient hub where you can manage everything related to your email marketing efforts. Now you'll need to identify the specific email campaign you want to delete. You'll see each campaign listed with an edit button to its right. Right next to this edit button, you'll find a small arrow pointing downward. Hover over this arrow with your mouse and click it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to managing your campaign. From the drop-down menu, you should see an option labeled Delete. Go ahead and click on this. It's worth mentioning here that once you select this option, you're setting up your campaign to be removed, but it's not quite gone yet. This is a safeguard against accidental deletions, especially handy if you happen to click before fully considering your choice. After you've clicked delete, a confirmation prompt will appear. It's Mailchimp's way of saying, "Are you sure?" This step is crucial because it gives you the opportunity to back out if you've had second thoughts or if you've realized that you're about to delete the wrong campaign. Make sure you truly want to delete this campaign because once it's gone, it's permanent. If you're confident about deleting, go ahead and click delete, again in the confirmation prompt. This final action will permanently remove the campaign from your account. Double check everything, and once you're sure, proceed with confidence knowing that you're keeping your campaigns as organized as possible. And there you have it, a concise, efficient way to delete campaigns from your Mailchimp account. Always remember to verify the campaign you're about to delete to avoid losing valuable work. And if you're ever unsure, take that extra moment to think it over or consult with a teammate if you're working collaboratively. Thank you for taking the time to follow this guide. It's small actions like these that keep your marketing efforts precise and impactful. Happy organizing, and see you in the next